Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So these nails are floating around on Pinterest and I really wanted to have a go. I've seen a few of my friends do these sets and I just thought, right, I'm just going to do them. So I didn't film them at the time just because I didn't think they'd get much attention, and then I posted them on Instagram and my messages went nuts. My phone was red hot the other night, so pretty much every one of you have asked how have I done it. Please do a video. So I aim to please, so that's what I'm going to do today for you. So for that set I used all the gel bottle ink. I used a baby pink builder, but you can use any colour that you want, but I really do think it looks lovely with pink. I've also seen it done with grey, that looked really nice as well. So I'm using the clear rubber base, the clear builder in a bottle, baby builder in a bottle, and then their matte top coat. So for best results, I think a clear iridescent mix is best for this, but you can also use opaque iridescent mixes. I think it would look just as nice, but for today's set I'm using a clear mix. Now this is from my store, it's the Heart Mix, and I'm gonna have to admit this sold out pretty much 48 hours after I posted my picture, but I do have loads more coming in. So what I'll do, if I link my shop Instagram down below, because I will post on there when I've got more stock coming in. So I'm working on my super handy Glamourliz Beyonce hand today, and I've got a tip in there and I have just buffed it so the gel is going to stick to it. And I'm going to play this out like it was a real nail. So first I'm going to go in with the rubber base coat. So now I'm going to go in with the baby builder in a bottle, and I'm going to build this up in stages because I want the colour to be really nice and opaque. So I'm laying down one super thin layer to start with, that's just going to be like my base, and then I'm going to cure that. And then I'm going to go in with a slightly thicker build layer until I've got the colour really nice and even and opaque, and you can really play around with this. It doesn't really flood or anything, it's really nice to work with, so you can just play around with it until it's all nice and level and then cure that layer as well. So on to the fun bit, we're going to place the shapes into the nail, and I'm just going to lay down one thin layer of the clear builder in a bottle, and I'm going to place the shapes in while that's wet, so they're going to be set into this layer. So a little few tips I've got for you is try and stay away from the very edges because you are going to get bits possibly poking out, so try to maybe stay central, or maybe place the smaller ones towards the outside. So once that's cured, they're set into place, and now I can go and encapsulate those with a slightly thicker layer of the clear, and this is really nice and self-leveling, so you can pretty much nail this with minimal filing. So once that's done, you can go in and cure that. And as I said, I didn't even need to file this, I just used a 180 buffer to just smooth everything out. So last final touch is to get rid of the dust and to add a matte top coat, and I don't know why, but the matte top coat just adds something to this nail. It makes the hearts look like they're almost disappearing and then coming back into focus again. I just think it's such a cool effect, so hopefully you can see what I mean there, but it just looks really nice matte. I just think anything iridescent looks lovely matte. So I really hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It was just a super quick tutorial, but really easy. And thanks for watching as always, it's so appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.